Hello all, welcome back. In my previous video, we looked at the installation of the IDE environment, connected to an Arduino board and executed a simple welcome sketch. Today in this video, we will look at what happens in the backend when we compile and run a sketch. As you can see in the presentation, the process flow at high end looks like this. As a first step, we write the program code, which is called a sketch in Arduino terms. Your code looks like a C or C++ program. The second step is to check if the written program has any errors. So this process is called compiling. When you hit the verify button, that is the tick button, the IDE compiles the code and it checks for errors in your syntax like missing semicolons, typos, etc. And then it translates the human readable code into machine code, which is in binary that the Arduino board can understand. As a result, a .hex file gets uploaded to your board. So once the code is compiled and free of all errors, we need to upload the code to the Arduino board. When you click the upload button here, the IDE sends the compiled code to Arduino through a USB cable. The USB connection acts like a bridge between your computer and the microcontroller on the board. The microcontroller on the Arduino, for example Atmega 328P on an Uno, has a special program called bootloader. The bootloader listens for incoming data and stores your code into the board's memory. In the fourth step, Arduino board executes the code. Once uploaded, the Arduino automatically starts running the code from beginning. It runs the setup function once and then loops through the loop function again and again until powered off. The microcontroller acts like a tiny computer and it reads the inputs. And it executes logic and then controls outputs like turning LEDs on or off and controlling motors, etc. Now your Arduino interacts with the real world through sensors and other peripherals using its input-output pins. You can also use a serial monitor in the IDE to see data from the Arduino. We use serial.begin 9600 in setup to start communication and then use serial.print to send data back to your computer. This method is used for debugging, reading sensor values and logging data. Once the process is done, you can disconnect the Arduino. That's it for today. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.